Ever stood in awe witnessing the sun slowly disappear, leaving a strange twilight in the middle of the day? You've experienced the magic of a solar eclipse. But what really happens during this celestial event? A solar eclipse is a unique spectacle, a moment when the moon pirouettes between the earth and the sun, momentarily stealing the sun's spotlight. This fascinating phenomenon casts an ethereal shadow on parts of the earth, creating a momentary twilight that has mesmerized observers throughout history. From ancient civilizations to the modern day, solar eclipses have held a significant place in our cultures, our myths, and our scientific understandings of the universe. They've been seen as omens, as divine interventions, and as extraordinary natural occurrences that reveal the intricate ballet of our solar system. As enchanting as they are, solar eclipses are not just a quirk of nature, but a result of a captivating cosmic dance between the Earth, the Moon, and the Sun. And understanding a solar eclipse requires a journey into the mechanics of our solar system. Imagine three dancers in space: the Earth, the Moon, and the Sun. The Earth pirouettes around the Sun in an elliptical waltz, while the Moon spins around the Earth in a similar dance. But the dance floor, the plane of their orbits, is not flat. Picture it as slightly tilted. This tilt, this intricate choreography, is what sets the stage for our solar eclipses. Now, envision a solar eclipse as a cosmic ballet. It occurs during the new moon phase, when the moon glides directly between the Earth and the Sun. To us, earthbound spectators, the moon appears to gracefully traverse the sun's face, gradually dimming its light. But why don't we witness this celestial performance every month? Well, the moon's orbit is inclined relative to the Earth's orbit around the sun. So most of the time, the moon's shadow pirouettes either above or below the Earth, missing its mark. The real show happens only when the moon's orbit intersects with the plane of the Earth's orbit, setting the conditions for an eclipse. So the alignment of these celestial bodies is what gives us the spectacle of a solar eclipse. But not all eclipses are created equal. When the moon steps between us and the sun, it can put on three different types of shows. Indeed, these cosmic performances are known as total, partial, and annular solar eclipses. A total solar eclipse is the rarest and most dramatic of the three. It occurs when the moon completely covers the sun, casting a shadow known as the umbra onto the Earth. For a brief moment, day turns into night, and the sun's outer atmosphere, or corona, becomes visible. A sight to behold, but only possible in specific regions on Earth. In contrast, a partial solar eclipse is when the moon only partially obscures the sun. This results in the sun appearing as a crescent as the moon moves across its face. While not as dramatic as a total eclipse, partial eclipses are more common and can be viewed from a much larger area on Earth. Lastly, we have the annular solar eclipse, which occurs when the moon is at its farthest point from Earth in its orbit. This makes the moon appear smaller, and as it moves in front of the sun, it leaves a bright ring of sunlight visible, creating a remarkable ring of fire effect. Annular eclipses, though less common than partial ones, provide a unique and striking spectacle. Each type of solar eclipse offers a unique celestial spectacle, but remember, safety first. Excited about the next solar eclipse? Remember, never look directly at the sun, even during an eclipse. Your eyes are delicate instruments, and the sun's powerful rays can cause serious damage, even leading to permanent blindness. It's not worth risking your sight for a fleeting glimpse of this celestial spectacle. So, how do we watch safely? Specialized eclipse glasses are a must-have. These aren't your everyday sunglasses. They're designed to block out the harmful solar radiation while allowing you to view the eclipse clearly. Alternatively, you can use a solar telescope or a pinhole projector, both excellent tools for indirect solar observation. Remember, it's only safe to look directly at the sun during the brief moment of totality in a total solar eclipse, and only if you're in the path of totality. But even then, as soon as the sun begins to reappear, it's time to use your eclipse glasses or viewer again. Armed with knowledge and the correct gear, you are ready to safely enjoy the next solar eclipse. Remember, these celestial events are a reminder of our place in the grand scheme of the cosmos.